What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Yousef, and today we're going to be talking about your extra $600 that you're getting on your unemployment check every single week. And it's not going to last forever, so you better know how to invest it into the best stocks to at least maximize your earning on top of that $600 every single week. So go ahead and stay tuned. Let's go ahead and roll the intro. Let's go. So I know a lot of you guys have been getting extra $600 on top of your unemployment, and man, that's kind of sweet. I wish I was in the category. I'm not, but hey, let's find out what you can do with it. And I think it's a great potential as of right now because it's the perfect time that everything is opening up again and the stock market is rebounding completely within the past week or so, that it's been going up rapidly again. And I think it's a great time for you to find the right stocks to invest your extra $600 every week if you don't really have to use it for bills and rent and mortgage and all that good stuff. And this one's gonna give you a little bit of rundown on the stocks that I'm really interested into as of today. And I think there's a lot of good ones out there that it's still not too late to invest your money in them. So that's why I think it should be a great time for you to basically invest into them. I'm gonna look at my iPad and tell you that what are the best stocks to be able to basically invest your money as of right now, as of today. And $600, it's a great amount of money to start investing, and I think you can make a great amount of money by investing that. Don't forget that in a month is $2,400, and if you don't need it, it's a great time to invest that money into these kind of stocks that is basically booming and exploding within the next couple of days. In my previous videos, I talk about ZYXI, the ZYXI, the company that is booming like no tomorrow. Go ahead and Google it yourself. Go ahead and read about it yourself. I'm not gonna go into details, but definitely still one of my top favorite stocks in the healthcare sector of the stock market is still ZYXI. And I think you guys should take the time to read about them and to see what they're making and what they're doing. And as of today, their stock went up crazy. So I'm gonna actually look at them. As of right now, the price is about $20. Run down, up and down a little bit. By the time I upload this video, it might be a little bit lower, a little bit higher. But as of today, it's about $20. And man, it's still a great time to basically look into this and buy it. And basically $600 with this one, you can probably buy, let me calculate it. I'm not that smart. I don't do that much math in my head. So you can buy 30 shares of ZYXI with your $600. And that's if you want to put all of it in just one stock. And I think it's a great, to be honest with you, it's a great stock. If you look at the month chart, it's up about 7% in just 1 month. So if you would have put your $600 times 1.07%, it would have been $642 already in 1 month. $42 profit, boom. But it's okay, still not too late. If you look at their 3 months basically chart, they're up 46%, and that's insane, guys. You really want to put your money into something that is booming right now. You want to put your money somewhere that there's opportunity for you to make money, and I'm kind of liking the long term investment, but sometimes as a new person to start investing into the market, you want to see your money growth right away, and you need to be able to risk a little bit to see more amount of growth in your money right away, I think. So again, ZYXI, hands down, one of my top favorite ones. And again, I'm not a professional. Everything that I say in my videos are only my humble opinion. And please do your own research. Do your own due diligence and find out about each of these stocks before you put your money into it. And I think it's a great time because all the times that you have is free right now. And if you're home, study, educate yourself, and find out what are the best stocks that you would be able to find. YouTube them, Google them, search them, read their basically history, and see what they're up to as a company. My second top most favorite stock as of right now still is today SPHD. And SPHD is more, man, oh my god, you don't even know. I love this ETF. So this one is basically PowerShare S&P 500 high dividend, low volatility ETF, and roughly about $35. It is a very cheap stock. So you can easily invest your $600 with 20-30 shares and you are set to go. And one thing that I love about SPHD, that they pay you about 5% dividend. That is insane. So let's say you put $100, or let's say you put $1,000. In a year, you will collect $50 in interest, no matter the stock going up and down. And that's basically paid to you every single month. So $50 divided by 12, you get $4.16 every single month as a dividend. And it's kind of sweet, especially I use Robinhood and WEBULL. Again, I put my links down there for you guys. Sign up, get 2 free stocks up to $1,400. That's all you gotta do is deposit $100 and then do whatever with it later on. Up to you, you can do whatever. But again, the cool thing about this is not only you're making money on the stock itself going up, but you're also making money on the dividend side. So even if everybody start investing into ETFs and the stocks are not raising or going down that much anymore and they're more of in a steady pace, you still making money on your dividends. And that's the best type of investment as of right now in a market that everybody is investing into ETFs more and more. SPHD is about up right now about 12% within the past month. And that's just insane. Every $100, about $11, I'll take it. You know, it's better than nothing. You could have been just sitting on that money in your bank account, and $100, imagine. $100 sitting in your bank account in a month, and now you spend it on some fish tank and corals and bunch of stupid things that you should have not been buying. But if you would have put it in SPHD in a month, you would have got, at $100, you would have got $11 in a year. That's insane. That's a great amount of money that you would have got. Again, that $11 is in a year, or no, actually it's about a month. I'm not even talking about the dividend. So it's the money that you're gonna be getting just by the stock going up, excluding basically the dividend that you got. And that's just insane. And I'm gonna talk about one more stock that I think you should be buying, and that's just, man, crazy, straightforward profit from the day that you put your money in there. So let's go. Number 3, my third most favorite stock market in the healthcare sector is CTLT. Man, oh boy, I love this company. Pharmaceutical, make a lot of great stuff. They're going up every single month, and you know, it's not bad. I mean, look at it. So CTLT in 1 week up 7%, in 1 month up 20%, in 3 months up 48%. Come on, show me another stock that makes you 48% profit in 3 months. That's almost average, I don't know, 15-17% every single month, which is insane, guys. You guys have to remember, if you would have put $1,000 in this account in a month, in 3 months, it would have been $1,500. That's insane. And I think it's just easy money to make. Don't forget, stock market, it's not difficult. All you have to do is research and find the companies who are successful at making money. They don't have a debt. They're making money every single day. They're coming with new products, with new pharmaceutical products, something that is good for human beings, and they're gonna make money every single day, and you should be there to make money with them. And CTLT is definitely my most favorite stocks that I think you guys should be able to buy right now, just because I have a really great friend who works for the company as well too, and he tells me how much effort goes into the company, and I think they're gonna be bought out soon just because everything, the way that it looks and how the stock is going up, I think they're gonna be bought out soon. So I think it's a great time to invest into them, and you're gonna make such a great amount of money in such a short period of time in Catalent. So again, CTLT is my third most favorite that I think you should be investing your money, your $600 that you're getting every week. And man, this one is about $79, $80 right now. It's a little bit more expensive, but I think it's so worth it for you to invest your money into it right now. Don't worry about, you know, most popular ones. Just like Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, yes, they're gonna go up, but they're so expensive to buy. And especially if you don't have access to fractional sales, it's gonna be a pain to basically buy those. And yes, they're always gonna go buy, but they're more of a long-term investment just because they don't have that much of a fluctuation in such a short period of time. But a lot of the stocks that I'm telling you today, just like ZYXI, SPHD, and CTLT are exploding, and it's a great time for you to invest into them right now. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you find value in this video, smash the like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. What is the best stock that you guys are investing your money into? And hope to see you guys soon in next few videos. Hopefully you have a great day, and ciao.